I will analyze the journal entitled Marketing Strategy Determination of Lampung Typical Batik Micro, Small, Medium Enterprise in Bandar Lampung City by Asing SWOT Analysis. To start out the phrase the journal. Number 1, abstract. For abstract, point 1, written purpose. The purpose of this study to investigate the risk strategy in order improve marketing of Lampung typical batik craft business in some micro, small, medium enterprise that sell Lampung typical batik as the will investing priority marketing strategy in running Lampung typical batik craft business. Point B, research methods. SWOT analysis in asset in this study to analyze internal factors of Lampung typical batik MSIS in similar industry, so that the factors of which can be studied and quicker. C, result and discuss and conclusion. Based on the result of SWOT internal and external analysis, it is obtained the strategy in can be done. The Tilpok craft business of Lampung typical batik is a conversion strategy toward horizontal integration. It means that the applied strategy is more defense, which is avoiding selling loss and profit loss caused by the number of conversion for vertical batik is less qualified compared to Lampung typical batik. Point 2, introduction. For introduction is background of the problem. MSMES are the main support on the economic growth and property leasing as they provide more work operation hit. Moreover, it also the policy that still can be developed both production and composites look at strategy that SMA also can create new technology, product and service to support economic growth as well creating change and competition market. B, gap facts versus expectation. Indonesia people have the potential to earn fixed income from having business. MSMES, Maulina and Floridian. MSMES are the main support on the economic growth and property leasing as they provide more work opportunities, hiring more fair. It also has the potential that still can be developed both in productivity and also competitive. Lumpiadi stated that SME also can create new technology, product and service support economic growth as well as the creaming change and competition in market. The emerging of new micro, small, medium enterprise can be asset the main booster in accelerating the economic recovery of Indonesia. Not only having strike MSMES, also have next Some countries enter frame file in their first 2 years of life, fairly when accessing information that is meant to relate directly to the condition of MSMES internal factor that is covered by MSMES that actually have quite big market international world the have not been known much by customer. C. Introduction. Batik does not only illustrate the beauty visually, but also demonstrates the physical values and spiritual experience. Since it appears batik was not only as an artwork and economic activity, but also as expression of idealism and the means of struggle against person as a expression the for batik actually is an embodiment of an artwork or sensory, physical and spiritual culture once at once. The ornament of Lampung typical batik much includes various decorative ornament of Lampung culture, including local symbols such as menara, singgir, and others. Batik Kabupaten that is one batik artist, business, actor, as well as Lampung batik designer in the future will conduct modification of Lampung batik motif by combining kain ornaments with various Lampung culture decoration that can local symbols in the Lampung province. Lampung motif has its own unique points that's very different from the motif from other areas in Indonesia. Historically, Lampung had started to know textile art since the 18th years. Country at the same time will entrap the influence of Indian culture. The most well-known and distributed foreign collector is both motif and the office. The both motivation become very typical Lampung culture and are the trademark of Lampung, the eye of the world. D. The unders of based on the above background, the problem of this study can be formulation as the following. 1. How is the marketing strategy be asking what apparent that applied in running craft business of Lampung typical batik in some MSME that still Lampung typical batik. 2. Wins marketing strategy but must prioritize in running craft business of Lampung typical batik in some MSME that sell Lampung typical batik. Third, tip of research, the study combines quantitative and quantitative approach with descriptive studies, sampling technique. As in this study is purpose sampling then data asset from study respondents with as the owner of MSME of Lampung batik generation. B. Data main with quality approach asset to integrate the marketing strategy model of Lampung typical batik that has social media, print media, electronic media, and outdoor media is a marketing tool. Therefore, I can produce the mapping of marketing strategy further and media asset to conduct marketing of Lampung typical batik in order to obtain proper and accurate study result. The present of valid and reliable data necessary. Collected data that are analyzed in study primary data and secondary data with data collecting that is done by direct observation, survey, structured interview, and documentation. C. Research instrument. Qualitative approach in study is asset to conduct mapping of Lampung typical batik galleries and media that often asking question and the data collection instrument. The method of collection data, analyzing data, features, incorporating analysis SWOT analysis asset. The purpose of SWOT analysis to analyze the internal factor of company in the industrial area so that the factor that is the strength and the weakness can be known. Based analyzing internal factor, external factor analysis is also done. Investigation approaches and that on the result of SWOT analysis. Alternative of selected policy in strategic discussion marking are obsolete. In condition SWOT analysis, the step of the activity are the following: A. Identifying and internal and external factor. B. Design a questionnaire. And C. Analyzing the data. For result and discuss. In including this study, data obtained for Lampung Batik craft are studied and processed. The best analysis in analyzing the data problems and the solution for this problem are found. The presented problem is about by which strategy shall be done by craft of Lampung typical batik based on SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is identifying of various factors systematically to formulate compressed strategy. This analysis based on logical the maximum strategy and oppress, but the same time it minimizes waste and create increasing and maintaining the quality of one increasing it marketing product to maintain good competitive price. C. Maintaining of the stock based on results of analysis is the obtained the vehicles in coordinated 3. They demonstrate that company has very big opportunity, but on the other side the company also faces internal weaknesses which are the likes of man's capital, limited sales, and lacks promotion. 3-4 I needs to take different steps the following: A. Adding man. B. Adding capital. C. Adding the number of employees. C. Increasing promotion. Analyzing of prostitution. E. Analyzing supply. B. Analyzing his market opportunity. Anticipating that for the survival of Lampung Batik MA, I must be able to apply the possibility of that not may occur in the future. A. The researchers comparison has similar good in era globalization. The business comparison cannot be avoided, but be not have be worse because Lampung Typical Batik MSIMS is able to relate the authenticity of Lampung Typical Batik product and having good marketing strategy. B. Increasing rampant immersion product creates serious for Lampung Typical Batik MSMES limited of imitation of Lampung Batik are often found with much greater price compared to authentic batik. However, Lampung Typical Batik products are not worried if they kept presenting the authentic design as well the quality of fabric that the asset. B. Collection 5. Collection and suggestion based on the result the collection that either as following one in in accordance with study result the firm training as well as the understanding of marketing strategy if entrepreneur and employee of Lampung Typical Batik MSMES is good because its process is done regularly. We express who wanted competition the fact. The results study 2. The results study and discrete analysis done craft business of Lampung Typical Batik shows that the condition of human resource is still less quality in marketing field because majority education background is junior high school and all employing raw material not in the process of batik are good condition, but the price of the raw material is always increasing. Maybe for the technology asset is simple technology, this condition actually not support be acquired marketing system. For based what internal and external analysis in the strategy can be done. The core craft business of Lampung Typical Batik is coordination strategy to horizontal. It's main the apply strategy of defense, which funding, selling loss and profit loss caused by the number of comparison and artificial batik that has quality below Lampung Typical Batik and price is paper. That's all from me. If there's any mistake or me, I'm sorry because I'm still learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.